In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Monday.com using Zapier. If you've been trying to streamline your workflow, combining these two powerful tools can create an efficient, automated system for managing your projects and tasks. So let's dive in and discover how you can link these applications seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by creating a new Zap in Zapier. After signing into your Zapier account, head over to your dashboard and look for the option that says Create. Click on it and select Zap. This will initiate the Zap creation process, which is essentially a workflow that connects your chosen apps and automates specific tasks. Next, you'll need to choose your trigger app. This is the app that will start the automation. You have two options here, either Notion triggering Monday.com or Monday.com triggering Notion. Let's walk through the first scenario, where Notion is your trigger app. You'll select Notion and define a trigger event, such as a new database item or an updated database item. Connect your Notion account, allowing Zapier access to the relevant information. Once connected, you'll want to select the specific database you wish to monitor for changes. Don't forget to test the trigger to ensure the connection is working properly. On the flip side, if you want Monday.com to trigger Notion, you'll select Monday.com as your initial app. Decide on what event will initiate your workflow. It could be creating a new item, updating an existing item, or even adding a new board. Again, you'll connect your Monday.com account and choose which board you'll be monitoring. As always, make sure to test your trigger to avoid any hiccups down the line. After setting up your trigger, it's time to add the action app, which is where the automation results will manifest. If you're working with Notion as your trigger, Monday.com will be the action app. You can configure what you want to happen, such as creating or updating an item, or perhaps altering a column value. You'll need to specify your destination board where these actions will take place. Conversely, if Monday.com is the initial trigger, you'll pick Notion as your action app and decide whether you want to create, update, or locate a database item within your specified Notion database. Mapping the fields is a critical step. This is where you align data between Notion and Monday.com. For instance, a Notion property like title might map to an item name in Monday.com. Similarly, a due date in Notion can correspond to a date column in Monday.com. Think about how these fields correlate to ensure a smooth data transition. The opposite applies if you're starting with Monday.com, mapping its fields to the corresponding Notion properties. Before finalizing your Zap, test it thoroughly to confirm that the actions are executed as you anticipate, be it creating a new item or updating an existing entry. Check that everything's aligned correctly. Once your test confirms the setup is flawless, you can go ahead and publish or turn on your Zap. This activation means your Zap will now automatically run whenever the trigger condition is met. And there you have it, a fully integrated system between Notion and Monday.com that will enhance your productivity by handling repetitive tasks for you. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of your new automation and see how it transforms the way you manage projects. Happy automating!